The news of this unfortunate incident left me thinking about the safety and protection of our elephants. The cracker explosion was so powerful that both her mouth and tongue were severely injured. Since the ancient times, our Indian culture has given a very important place to the elephants. Elephants occupy a very prestigious status in our Indian legends. Our country has the largest population of Asian elephants, which have been listed as an endangered species. The unfortunate elephant trusted everyone. Maybe that was her big mistake. The existence of forests and its wildlife critically matter as they are essentially life supporting systems. During one of the evening safaris, we came across a young male bull tusker. This was a solitary bull. When grown-up male elephants leave their family herds, they generally lead a solitary life, but also it is possible that they may join other male elephants. Broadly, these areas are specified as the state forest, the reserve forest, and the protected forest. State forests are facing a very unprecedented situation in retaining and improving the wildlife habitat. Hence, they have a planned and persistent effort to promote the desired conservation efforts jointly by the local community and frontline staff of the forest department. This will be a positive initiative in bringing down the human and animal conflicts. Recently, the focus has shifted to biodiversity conservation, where large areas of land are jointly managed by the State Forest Division and private owners. The members of the elephant herd have a strong social bonding. The elephants mingle with each other frequently. The shrinking forest covers and fragmented grasslands reduce the availability of their food supply, forcing these elephants to raid crops outside the boundaries of the forest. Continued deforestation has endangered a large species of animals and birds. Degradation of their habitat has created restrictions in their movement patterns and raising possible opportunities of unwanted conflict with human settlements. As we travel further down into the forest, we are pleased to see the greenery all around. The onset of the monsoon brings in enough greenery, which provides abundant food and water for the elephants. The elephant-human conflicts need serious attention, and the destruction of their habitat has to be stopped. Across a very giant tusker. We stopped silently watching this huge elephant. carefully coiling the bamboo leaves and pushing them into his mouth. Very carefully pressing the shoot under his front feet. We were deeply engrossed watching this incredible elephant. The elephant was occupied pulling down the bamboo branches and feeding on the nutritious leaves. This amazing giant tusker was fully aware of my presence and patiently gave me the opportunity to film him the way I liked. As the precious moments rolled on, he suddenly turned around, giving me a very curious look as he swung his huge trunk to and fro. I realized that he signaled me to continue moving on. Whispering a goodbye, I decided to proceed further. The recent blow by the pandemic has drawn our immediate attention in changing our behavior towards the environment. The majestic giants move through the green cover of the forest. As the herd of the Indian Gaur crosses the road very cautiously, one of them looks at us with great curiosity. Now is the time to act for the welfare of their habitat. A very wonderful experience watching the mighty and amazing elephants moving in the jungles of India. The calf very cautiously kept close to his mother. The elephants search for food and graze peacefully. The elephant suddenly stopped. Maybe she wanted to convey some message. Her eyes were full of kindness. I could see the grace and beauty in her eyes. I was impressed to see the beautiful bonding between the elephants of this moving herd. Now the time has come when we should seriously revamp our relationship with the elephant who has been part of our heritage since the ancient times.